to be here. It's supposed to be like the very first stream that we are holding, or that I'm actually holding to right now. So I hope that we can all enjoy the stream today and just like have fun together, right? While we talk about the chat and talk about like different things. So we have with us, we're actually supposed to have a guest, right? But he's trying to like set up his own connection on his end. Or for I would like to just kind of explain the purpose for this stream and why it had to be like this, right? So basically we have some backpack as a platform right now is actually like going through some changes, right? Private beta program has just like I think the public beta testing is now kind of like open with like multiple rebates. Backpack features kind of like promises to be one of out there in the market when it comes to like access and accessing tools, right? So yeah, so it's kind of like a little bit crazy because I think Bimbola is experiencing issues.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh yeah, you're on the call with me. All
Good
right.
day.
Yeah, what's up? How are you doing now, my bro? Are you there?
I'm doing great, sir. I'm trying to set up my trading view. I've eventually been able to plug in via my system.
Okay, okay, okay. So you'll be able to share your screen with us then, right?
Yes, I would.
Okay,
So
cool,
let
cool. I hope the last trading week was not too much for you. I hope you bag those nice profits like you usually do.
we try our best. We
Uh-huh.
try our best.
Getting a hang of this streaming thing is kind of like very, very interesting. Cause like so are you ready to share your screen or you are just setting up right now?
I think so.
Okay, so maybe just share your screen now.
Okay.
You are using backpack, right?
Now I'm on trading view.
Okay. Pull up trading view then. Let's see. I've stopped presenting, so you can present now.
I'm trying to see. So,
Yeah, the button is like right down below there. You should be able to see.
I'm not seeing it here.
Um, I think like two icons away from the video camera. Um, if you want to leave the call, so just you, bro. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, but I don't know if you can hear me from here.
Yeah, I can hear you too. I can hear you too, bro. That's that.
Can you
That's
hear me?
yeah. I can. I can. Can you? Yes, I can.
Okay.
Wow, it's so crazy, man. I don't know.
Okay.
My network just went entirely out. something I tested before we started. Yes, so can you share your screen again?
Okay, can you see it?
Not yet, not yet. Oh yes, yes, I can see it now. Yes, I can.
I'm already sharing my screen. You
Yeah, I
can't
can
see
see it
it.
now. I can see it.
Are you not seeing my screen?
Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
Okay, I
Yeah.
am ready. Okay, let me delete all what I've done before.
Okay.
So are you streaming now? Are we live?
Yeah, yeah, we are live. We're live. I've been live for a minute now. Network just wanted to kill our shine.
Yeah, are we live?
Yes, we are. We are. Yes, we are.
Okay, good day. So I'm going to briefly analyze the BTC USDT chart and give us some tips on, you understand, on what to expect. So basically, trading is trading from support to resistance. Whether you say you're using the SMC concept or the ICT concept or the support demand and supply concept, any concept whatsoever you're using, it relies on the basics of support and resistance. Now, a support is where price is likely to rest, and a resistance is where price is likely to resist. Now, from this chart, we have a support around here, this zone where my mouse is, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line there. You can see market bounce here once, two, three, four, five, six. So you can say this is around where the support is. Now, for the resistance, you can see this is the higher market, so it reverses. So right here. Now, BTC has been trickish, and we understand that this is a uptrending market so far. You understand? Because market has been creating highs. Market has been creating higher highs. You understand? And let me draw that. Let me see if I can. As at this point, it came here, made this high, you understand, retraced, this high, retraced, this, it's kind of retraced to around here and here. Okay, let me pull it down so that we, okay, okay, it's kind of came down here. So this has been an uptrending market like so far, and it has invalidated this price action that it broke down here with by creating a higher high above this. Although there was no like full close, but there was like a 4-hour close what above it, but market later retraced. So now what am I going to be expecting from BTC USDT? Actually, this is a very proper range from this top here, that is 107,900 to this place 92,400, or let's say 92,500. So that's the proper range. So what am I expecting? For some time, market has been in the upper range. What do I mean by the upper range? I'm now going to draw a Fibonacci to show us how this is an upper range. Now from the top of this range to the bottom of this range, and this is what our center point. So what do I expect markets to do? I expect markets to sweep this this midpoint and continue higher. That's expectation. So I still expect the chop till the end of next month, because there's an FOMC. There's an FOMC end of the next month, and like last year, markets did this range, and people were saying what the market is dead. Also, I expect BTC dominance to go higher. I expect BTC dominance to go higher. So, how am I going to trade this? I'm going to be looking for, like I said, a sweep of this zone, that zone with a rectangle. This place, a lot of, so I'll be looking to take it. I'm trying to. Now for Ethereum, what do I expect for it? Actually, I've been waiting for Ethereum for so long at this zone. This is a trade I have, but I'm going to close it and see what market has been presenting. There was recently a dump, and I thought it would come to this my zone around here, but market did not come. I don't know if it will still come, but if it does, I'm open to understand take longs from this zone. So let me delete this and my if we could trade BTC dominance reaches that this price around 60%. I expect to start now taking my longs on it on Ethereum, but for now I expect Bitcoin to I expect BTC I expect BTC at this zone, you understand? So while probably BTC dominance is BTC to be reducing, you understand, and eventually take almost all liquidity from market, you understand, and everyone gives up and there is no bull market again. It's only Bitcoin that is going up, you understand, the Bitcoin reserves and all. So that is my expectation on BTC. So on BTC dominance for my trade on Ethereum, if that happens. So if this happens, this is a trend line I drew, and market has spent. Let me extend it here. So this is still a strong resistance support zone. So if Ethereum comes to this, please take a long. I would probably even max leverage. You understand? If I was, I would probably max leverage and what new highs because there's a lot of liquidity resting here. So this is what I would have taken if I'm trading Ethereum. Although you can relax your stop loss a bit or you wait, you understand, because the price might be so volatile that it sweeps it out. But around this zone, I'm planning to take a long on Ethereum. Then for Sol has Sol is not in a bear. It's as if Sol has Sol created a new high and it has been. Okay, I'm going to let me use start from the daily time frame on so that you understand how bullish I am on Sol. Now this is the daily time frame. On this daily time frame, this was the previous all-time high. It came in this market and went for the previous all-time high, and now it flipped the previous all-time high, and it is currently resting around that zone. So Sol is just chilling, you understand, and expecting the market to is expecting BTC, you understand, to just do its thing, and you can see it's really ranging. Usually, the trade would have been on any of Sol derivatives. You can see Sol has been consolidating around this zone. Sol has been consolidating around this zone, and any moment from now, Sol can fly off. So usually there
Abibola, can you hear me?
So this is like a cup. Yeah, I'm hearing you. And
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
an
Sorry, there
handle.
was a minor network issue. Please continue. Can you continue, please?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. So it has formed the handle. So anytime from now, so could you understand, could fly up, and we should be trading this into new highs. So let me now, if you want to trade into new highs, I said we'll use the Fibonacci. So you go to your Fibonacci and you go to the trend based Fib. So this is the high, this is the low. Let me delete this. I'm not. So this is. Let me see if I could change the color. I don't understand. Okay. So this is what one can expect for fee for so. So based on the trend based fee on so, we can expect so to the next level we should be expecting Sol is at 340, at 314. But short term opportunities, you understand, deals with us checking stuff on, you understand, on the lower time frame. Now this is weekend, you understand. As a short time frame trader, the best time to look for trade is on Monday, you understand, after the Asian session, that is during London session. So I'll be looking to how market opens, you understand, and closes, and see how we can get there. So let me try to open my backpack. So all these trades that I just pointed out, we'll be taking them on the Backpack Exchange, and I welcome you all to come and try this new exchange. Is they have very good technology. So I'm going to sign in. I hope you.
Bimbola, are you there? Bimbola?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm trying to log into my backpack. You understand?
Okay, all right.
Let me. Okay. I'm trying to. I'm trying to log into my backpack app. Are you seeing it?
Yeah,
So I'm
I
trying
think,
to log in.
yeah, yeah,
Oh, why
yeah, I
didn't
can
you
see
log?
it.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Carry on.
Hello, Timmy. I don't know why I'm not able to log into my backpack exchange.
Oh, like screen recording right now, maybe sharing your screen. Maybe it's like a security measure. I'm not entirely sure, right? That's as well, like typing your password and stuff. So it could be as a result of that. So since we have been able to like go through we have gone through it. All right, so let me try to. People, can you hear me now? Yeah, all right. Are you there, Bimbola? I'm not sure you can even hear me, but I'll carry on, sure. Cause like I think I'm audible enough, right? So I just want to like quickly run on reasons why the features trading features on Backpack is extremely cool. So forgive my small balance here. Don't look there. Um, yeah, right. So I just want to quickly go to this side of things, right? I want to highlight two special features that actually has, right? And that is the first one being the auto P&L feature. So one thing that I would actually like suggest that people should probably do or maybe like check out is the auto learn feature, right? So you go click here to enable that, right? And you can see the message right there that auto learn is enabled, right? And yeah, why auto learn? Why is auto learn important at all? Well, it practically allows you to make good use of your unrealized profits and losses, right? So on a normal day, the natural thing will be that when you kind of like place a trade, right? You have say you are up $100, right? That $100 just stays idle in your account, right? Without necessarily doing anything. But with the backpack auto lend feature, right? You can actually use make use of that your you can actually make use of that your auto lend of your unrealized profit or loss, right? So in a situation where you have like $100 in profit, right, you can get to a point where that particular $100 that you have not even realized yet is actually used to offset maybe like the borrow interest rate on your borrow positions, because I imagine you are trading margin, and at the same time you could also auto realize your profits and loss, right? So instead of having to manually check for your profits and your losses, right? Instead of having to manually check for your profits and your losses, you can just set up the auto lend feature to help you can just set up the auto lend feature to help you claim those profits as determined by you. So I already clicked on enable auto lend before. In case you missed it, it's usually found at this side of the screen, um right beneath the right side of your trading terminal, right? And of course, of course, that we have so many indicators that you can try to like check out and use to place your trades, right? So another interesting thing that I want to touch on is the fact that you can actually join the public beta test right now and qualify for rewards depending on the amount of profits you make and the amount of profits that you make, the amount of volume that you raise personally. So you could check official backpack Twitter account. If you are not in the backpack community, you can actually join our community and understand exactly what's going on there. I would share a link to the backpack community in the comment section for people who are just joining us, right? Also, yeah, Bimbola, are you there? Bimbola, can you hear me? You are muted, though, in case you don't know, because you're on the call, but it seems like you can't hear me. Right, so please just check out the comment section. I will share a link to the Backpack Africa TG where you can have more information on whatever you might need and get support from the back. Yeah, right. I think Pimbola is probably having some issues hearing me right now because I'm calling his name, but he's not active. Right. So yeah, right. Oh, okay. All right. Bimbola still has some things to share with us. If anyone has questions, can they just kind of like drop it in the live? Can they drop it in the live chat? I would be taking questions now. So if you have questions, can you please kind of like drop it in the live chat? Oh, you can't hear me, right? That's crazy. Oh wow.
Hello, I can hear you now.
All right, Bimbola. So me or some images with me. Do you want to talk about that before we kind of like wrap up? Yo, Bimbola, can you hear me now? Bimbola, are you there?
Hello, yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, sorry. Network is a little bit too messy right now. So somebody has a question in the live chat. He said that he has been learning how to trade, right? And he wants to know what FVG means, right? He wants to know what FVG means.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. If FGVG means it's a fair value, um, I think when there's a price rebalance a range, you understand, and that is like when I said in rebalancing of a range, that is when price closes a fair value gap. Let me see. Okay, I think we have a fair value gap on BTC to explain.
Should I stop sharing my screen? You want to share
Okay,
your screen,
now,
right?
yes. I want to share my screen.
Please do so. Please do so.
Let me use BTC. Means when there is now in this candle we are seeing the first candle instance has a close here. Let me use the normal line, and this is where the candle close. Now the next one, this is the other candle. Highest point is at this point. Okay, let me increase and let me make it black. And this line too, let me increase the thickness and also make it black. So now what we can see, this space here in this place is what we call the fair value gap. So I'm going to indicate that space with a box. Now this is the fair value gap. Inside this box here is a fair value gap. So that is what a fair value gap is. You can see if at this point here, from this point to this point, there is a small fair value gap there on the daily. This close here, that open and this close. So there is also a small fair value gap there. So these are what fair value gaps. Fair value gaps are like gaps in price. Also here, you can see this. This is the stops here. Lowest point is at this point. So from here to here is also a fair value gap. So from here to here is a fair value gap. You understand? But almost all these fair value gaps you see that I showed now, they have been balanced because you can see price later came here and another fair value gap, and price kind of almost rebalanced it here. before it went down and later went back up. So I think that is what a fair value gap is. I hope the person that asks understands that. So that's so I'm on sharing my screen. So
Abimbola, are you still speaking? Abimbola, are you there?
yes, I'm here. I said I'm done sharing my screen. So I don't know if you got that explanation of fair value gap.
Yeah, yeah. I believe all that you said is good enough, right? So thing is we also have a sort of like giveaway for this current for this actually the first episode of this our early chats, right? And I think what we are going to do is to hand it over to the person that asked that question, right? So Adwoye Daniel, if you don't mind, you can join the Backpack Africa Telegram group in the chat now. So just join and request your. So you are the winner of our giveaway for tonight. Thanks so much for joining and asking that question. All right, so actually Daniel, just join the Telegram chat and let me know exactly. Then we can confirm and then I can send your prize over. Thank you for joining the live session. Yeah. So right. Abimbola, I wanted to ask a question, right? Because like all of this analysis is kind of cool, but of course, people always need to um people always need to know where their mind is or be able to control their emotions. So can you just share one tip that you use whenever you're like kind of like trading the market? What exactly is your mindset when you are doing that? Just one that you use to protect yourself and of course your bags.
Okay, now the first one is from the trade side. For the trade side is always have a stop loss. Always have a stop loss or an invalidation. You understand? Always have a stop loss or invalidation. And the second one is split your capital into two. Split your capital into two. Should be in what the futures in the side and the other can be on the spot side because the spirit can speak to you and will say what put all the money there. So if you put the whole 100% there, that is you understand, you are split, you still have something left to fall back on. So I think those are the two. Always
Yeah.
split your capital, you understand, that you want to use to trade into two. Don't put everything in your futures account. Leave the remaining in the spot. And the second one, always use a stop loss or have an invalidation. That's that's my advice. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that's important. Don't listen to those voices in your head that are telling you to put all the money there. It does not always end well. Right. So I don't like the fact that this is the very first live stream that we're doing. Like it's a little bit like not too many network issues, but nevertheless, I'm very sure that everybody that joined us today learned one or two things, right? So thank you so much, Abimbola, for joining in the live stream. Thank you so much for pulling up on such short notice, and thank you so much for sharing all of those gems, right? I hope as we go into the trading week, trading on Backpack, analyzing charts, we can have some of these insights that I shared at the back of our minds, right? So with that, the stream is going to be coming to an end. Right. Thank you so much, Bimbola again. So I hope you don't mind joining us another time.
You're welcome, Chief. I don't mind. I
Yeah,
hope to see everyone here and more people. So invite your friends, your enemies. If your enemies make money, they can become your friends.
yeah, that's that. You, that's so true. That's actually so true. They can become your friends, or they can even do more evil to you. So it all depends on you. All right. So thank you guys for joining the space, the session rather, or the stream. Thank you so much, guys, and good night. The winner of the giveaway, we have dropped the link to the Backpack Africa Telegram. So please enter there and send me a message. I would send you your winnings. So thank you so much, guys. See you guys around. Good night, everyone. Not the Chris. Not the mad. That's not the Chris.